To enable and use the swipe to text feature on your Galaxy Watch with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting. Next, scroll down the screen, tap general. Under input section, tap Samsung keyboard. Under swipe touch and feedback section, tap keyboard swipe controls, and then select swipe to text. To see how this feature works on your Galaxy Watch, open an app where you can type something like messages. Instead of tapping each letter, slide your finger across the keyboard to form word, and then leave your finger after each word to let your watch predict and enter the text automatically. Given to the function, you can use this feature to type faster and effortless on your watch. With this feature, instead of tapping each key, you can smoothly glide your finger across the keyboard, making it easier to send messages and respond on the go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.